Thank you guys for clicking on this week's YouTube video. Today we're going to go over the up and coming new stock trading strategy, which I like to call meme trading. Now, a quick disclaimer, I'm probably going to say some things that are going to make you guys upset, but please let me explain myself and watch to the end of the video. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm calling this new stock trading strategy meme trading because it involves stocks that are getting a lot of publicity inside the communities that like to enjoy memes. Now, the reason these are so powerful is because since it gets so much exposure and so many people start to know about it, that people who may not know what they're doing in trading like to follow the people that are experienced and truly do believe in these stocks and say, hey, go ahead and buy this stock for this reason. And then all these people see it and they're like, well, I want to go buy these stocks. And since they connect better with these heads versus the people on TV, who are really alienated because they're, these people in suits and tuxedos and saying, hey, I went to school for 4 years, I got my bachelor's and all this stuff, and I think I'm better than you, which most they're not. And you should buy these stocks for this reason. But it's really boring and a lot of people don't connect with them. So with these Reddit traders and people on Discord, they really know their audience and they sympathize with them because they're them as well. And they're like, hey, I really believe in this and this is why you should buy the stock. And this is why their statements have a lot more weight to them versus their Wall Street competitors. Because I believe these people on Reddit and Discord actually really do want to help you guys make money and they really do believe in this, which is great. So keeping that in mind, and since memes are generally very enjoyable, they tend to spread a lot more quickly and a lot more people get to know about it, creating this huge buying pressure on these stocks, sending them upward. A great example of this is, as you guys already know, is GameStop and AMC, how these stocks have skyrocketed, creating a short squeeze and basically teaching the hedge funds a lesson. And just my personal opinion on it, I think it's awesome and amazing. And I was really disappointed in the hedge funds in the fact that they were shorting all these companies, mostly because you're taught in every book you read that, oh, you shouldn't do this. Like, it's only for the experienced people. It's only for the big law firms and stuff like that. Like, I think the statistic is like 67% of people lose money when they're shorting, and you should never do it. Yet these people who are managing money are allowed to do it just because they're a big institution. I'm so glad that they're getting taught this lesson and losing all this money. And it's even greater to see this honestly really as a revolution of the people, these retail traders getting together and basically sticking it to these hedge funds. It just shows you how powerful united people are when they work together, because generally you're also told that as a retail trader you have no power when it comes to affecting a stock's price, and that the institutions usually get there first because they get the news before you, and that it's rigged, and that pretty much the institutions are always going to make money and you as a retail trader just need to be smarter than your other fellow retail traders. And I can't remember where I saw it, but it was an amazing example. A guy basically talked about how retail traders are a rabbit, but now the rabbit has the gun and they no longer get to be chased and humiliated by the institutions. So this is really awesome, because to my own fault too, I really thought as a retail trader you couldn't beat the institutions at their own game. You just had to find a way around it to make your own personal money. So this really is amazing, and I do believe it's going to be a new form of trading. So the idea of this, what I would say to you, and again this is my own personal opinion, is that you should join these Discord chats. Even if they are like $50 a month, you might as well just see what they have to say, because they generally do really want to help you. And to also go on these Reddit pages and see what they're talking about. And there's some really great Instagram pages too that really are memes but can teach you a lot, and they post every single day. So as a new trader right now, I would say go into all these places where there's all these communities talking about stocks and trading and giving their opinions and why you should or shouldn't buy these stocks and the next big play that they think is going to happen or that could possibly will happen. Because now as a community you can ride these stocks together. And also too, I just want to point out that if you've also noticed too, and Forbes released an article about this, that all these stocks that people are saying to buy and they're going way up, they also drastically drop off as well. So keep that in mind. So if you're there before the big sell-off, there's a good old saying, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Just don't hold on to these stocks forever, or do, because there are some stocks that they're buying based off the fundamentals, not based off a short squeeze or anything else. So do your own diligence, make sure you know why you're getting into a stock, have the price points that you want to get in at, get out at, and just be active in these communities is the best thing I would say. And the best part is all their stuff is really enjoyable to hear and watch. It's not boring like these TV shows. And I would love to hear your guys' comments on this as well, whether or not you think the hedge funds were right in doing this, or whether or not they're right to complain about all this. Because another thing too that really gets me going is they're saying like, oh, they have too much influence and power, but they're the ones on TV telling you what stocks to buy, and they disclose, hey, I own this stock by the way, but you should still buy it. Or hey, I don't own this stock and this is why you shouldn't buy it. And I don't think they're coming from a genuine point of view, but sometimes they are. It just really just depends who you're watching and what's going on. So I would love to hear your guys' comments about all this. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped adding another tool to your arsenal of trading strategies. So if you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content. Thanks for watching.